Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today your ma'am is presenting a new exciting session. Do you know what is the session? I know you all know. This is the activity session. Today we'll do another one exciting activity session of WS diagraph sound. What? Have a look. What is this? Which picture is this? You know? Do you know? Yes, I know. Tell me, who will tell me which picture is this? This is your cat. This is your cat. But something is missing in this cat. Yes? Something is missing. Which thing is missing in this cat? Which thing is missing? This cat have no whisker. This cat have no whisker. So you have to fix the cat whisker. You have to fix. You have to paste the whisker of this cat. One by one, we'll paste. Here I have written some words. WS sound words. We have to make the whisker of this cat. Okay. First, I take whip. Whip. W-I-P. Whip. We have to paste this. We have to paste it. One whisker is fixed. W-I-P. Whip. Next. Well. W-A-L-A. Well. W-A-L. Well. Okay. Next I took. What is this? Will. W-I-L. Will. Next I took when. 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 One side whisker is fixed. Then we'll do another side whisker of this cat. What is the word? White. W-I-T-E. White. Next, with. W-A-T. With. We fix this. Whisker of this cat. Next, whisk. W-I-S-K. Whisk. Next, will. W-A-L. Will. Will. Yes, now this is a complete cat. This is a complete cat. This cat have whiskers. This cat have whiskers. We'll read one by one. Whip, well, will, when, white, wit, whisk, will. So many words you have learned today. Yes or no? You have to do this activity at your home. Did you enjoy this activity? Yes, I know. You all enjoy this activity. Okay, children. See you again. Bye-bye. Thank you.